Hi all, I was visiting USA about a week ago and I came back and I found this on Walmart. This is IPTV and it's 4K. The brand is Roku Premiere and this is a very good price, a bargain price, $24.88. So I thought why not to buy it and then check it at home. So let's do a quick unboxing for this one. So stickers, usually you can remove them without cutting them, but never mind. See what you get for less than $25. Unbelievable. So we have, of course, the connection to power, and I'm trying to figure out, very tiny fonts, what is the power output of this one. I will check in a minute. And this is basically the main box or the connection. So you have the power input, you have a reset button and HDMI output. Okay, this is probably the IR receiver. So I guess it gets IR signal. Not sure about it. Maybe there is RF signal, but let's see what is written. Point remote here. So yeah, it looks like a regular infrared. Unbelievable. They also put AAA batteries inside, and that's all. Let me check the power supply. Best thing is to take a picture and then okay, it's 5 volt 1 amp and 100 volt to 240. So basically it's worldwide power connector, so no worries. Whenever you are, it will work. This is the remote. Yeah, and probably cables. Yeah, we have here 2 cables. One is of course from the power cord to this tiny box. Yeah, it should connect here. And the other one is for the HDMI video mode. So it goes like this. You plug this here, you plug this. By the way, this is a very short one, it's less than 1 meter, and you just put it here. And the other side you plug to your TV. This you plug to this adapter like this, and if you need any adapter, you need to connect it here. Basically this is all. What is amazing about it is that it is 4K. Yeah, it's 4K HDR HD. And about the memory inside, I'm not sure. They're not writing what is the memory. The memory is of course the 2 memories, I guess. There should be some flash memory that hold the software, and a DDR that runs all the time. And if the DDR is bigger, so you should be able to run between the menu faster. And basically this is all. So thank you and bye.